Welcome! Have you ever wondered how many devices are logged into your Instagram account? It's important to keep track of your account's security and monitor where your Instagram is being accessed from. In this updated guide, I'll show you exactly how to check how many devices are logged into your Instagram account, step by step. Let's dive in. 1. First, launch the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account before proceeding. 2. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. 3. From your profile, tap the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu, located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the Options menu. 4. In the menu, you'll see an option for Accounts Center. Tap on it to access more account management settings. 5. Next, go to Password and Security. This section is where you can find important security settings related to your account. 6. Under the Password and Security section, look for the option labeled Where You're Logged In. Tap on it, and you'll be able to see all the devices that are currently logged into your Instagram account. From here, you can monitor all active sessions and even log out of any device you don't recognize. It's a great way to ensure your account is secure and that no one is accessing your profile without your permission. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully checked how many devices are logged into your Instagram account. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.